uLucas Ribeiro akafuni ukuyodlala eLibya. Into engiyibuza yona after athathe around 24 million yaleya team le yaseLibya. So mina into engiyibuza yona ukuthi uLucas Ribeiro yena ne-agency yakhe babeyithathelani imali, babeyisayinelani i-contract cause wasenda i-management yakhe ukuthi yosayina i-contract lapha eLibya bayithatha-ke imali only for Lucas Ribeiro. Uthola manje ulaphana ku-Esperance eTunisia ufuna ukudlala khona but is still contracted to i-team yaseLibya. Yenzeka kanjani lento lena? Indaba kaLucas Ribeiro bafethu ifilimu ayikho lento le. Then idili a week ago idili icollapsile, simbonile lenda laphana eTunisia expected ukuthi asayine i-contract only for le team yaseLibya lebe coach Orlando Mokwena imblock imtshela ukuthi no, you are still contracted to us. If ufuna ukujoin Esperance mele ikhiphe imali ikusayine, and imali serious kakhulu, like imali over 30 million rands le abayifunayo ke manje le team yaseLibya. uLucas Ribeiro akaze abaseLibya bafowethu, but ke une contract ne team yaseLibya. And I've explained this thing ukuthi ama-players asayina ama-agents adecidela ama-player but abanye abantu yabo mawungazi awazi it's very important ukubuza if awazi into ama-rights like uLucas Ribeiro akanama-rights wakhe, kusho ukuthi wawathengisa ama-rights wakhe to i-management. So i-management njengoba imlahlekisa yaphansi naphezulu, it means that i-management yakhe at the moment le onama-rights wakhe yiyo ekhesha in imali serious. So bayatapela nje, bathatha imali ngapha, siyazi ukuthi uSundowns bahamba kanjani njengoba bathola kule situation le. So njengoba i-contract kaLucas Ribeiro neSundowns bephela 2027 kusho ukuthi uLucas Ribeiro nama-contracts ayi-2 active manje, nama-teams ayi-2 different. iSundowns le contract yakhe engakapheli, i-team yaseLibya le contract yakhe engakapheli, plus nale expected ukuthi ayisayine laphana ku-Esperance njengoba ulaphana eTunisia. So ifakela iyibuka indaba kaLucas Ribeiro, so ibona ukuthi izohamba kanjani bafowethu. Yabona mekuthiwa abantu i-scam, hey khulunywa ngale ndoda.